If you want to know how to buy shares of Wise Ltd, this video shows the basic steps to purchase the London-listed fintech company. Wise Ltd operates international payments and money transfer services and is listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker Wise.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before placing any orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Wise.L to locate Wise Ltd quickly. Make sure you select the result that clearly matches the London-listed company to avoid the wrong asset. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm this is Wise Ltd. Check the market listing shows LSE PLC and the ticker Wise.L to ensure it's the correct share. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once the order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to the example eToro page is available in the description below if you want to explore the platform.